are a to your race, Kakarot. But when I you, I'll teach you what it means to be a sailor. Kakarot!
Hello? Hey, you guys!
Hey! Bulma!
Wow, it sure has been a long time, hasn't it?
Yep, but look at you. You're as beautiful as ever.
Oh, you men. You're impossible.
I guess you forgot about my though. Oh, well, that's okay. I'll you.
Surprise! See? I didn't forget.
Goodness, you're gonna spoil this old man. I'm so happy right now. I can... Hey, I was just trying to...
Why did I think he could ever change?
Oh, wow!
Hey, so, what's Yamcha been up to these days, Bulma?
Oh, that idiot! I don't even want to think about him! He made me today. I never want to see him again. We're I mean, can you believe it? He
Breaking up is hard to do.
I wouldn't know.
So where's Goku at?
Well, he said he was I guess he's on his way.
Wow! Hey, quit and leave me some!
This power moves with great speed, but not fast enough.
Here we are, Gohan!
Kakarot, you cannot escape me.
Hey, is anyone home?
It stopped.
Goku!
Hi!
Hey, who's the kid?
You trying to babysitting or something? Pretty wild, huh? Wow.
Oh, Goku, he's adorable.